It's a sunny day. This is good. Yeah, still April. Yeah, it's part of the rainy season. Yeah, but today is good. It's not raining. That is really nice for us to take a picture, of course. That line is going to separate part of the farming area, producing potatoes, corn, about the beans here. One of the
Who produced? Because I read that here lived the elite of the Incas. So who?
Yeah, can you hear me here? Yeah. The potatoes and corn comes from the Incas time. Yes. Okay, this way. You can hear me here. Thanks to the Incas, we know that we have still this time more than 3,000 varieties of potatoes. 3,000. Yeah, they use a different terraces, of course, yeah, for acclimated different kind of products. Of course, can we produce potato here? Yes, but another special kind of product. And when we go to the highest part, more than 3,200 meters above sea level, we have another product, another kinds of potatoes. Yeah, I produce potatoes. My family, yes, is that I know. And corn, of course. Corn, we have more than 300 varieties, and we have different. We are in 2,400 meters now. This is our altitude now here. Okay, Cusco is going to be around 3,350 meters above sea level high. Of course, we need different varieties to produce here. Of course, it's not the same varieties if you go to the second valley. Yes, different kinds. That's the reason, of course. In 1911, when an explorer man who was here exploring found corn. Two families producing corn in that area. 1911, yes. So yeah, but this is part of the history. We're going to talk about why they found the two families still living here, not Inca family. Okay. It was another family, but I'm going to talk about it. Is that the reason we know? And they produce it. Coca lakes. When you go this way around near the river, yeah, you will see farming areas with the coca. Grass is really important. Coca. Still, this time we use it's part of our medicine and then part of our rituals and ceremonies that we do every day or in our special days. Yeah, it's very important to use. Okay, farming area. Here, sanctuary. That wall is going to separate part of that. So ceremonial places. We have temples, we have places. Okay, we don't continue. We're gonna go this way. That there's a topic here. Okay, and of course we're gonna explore later. Okay, first we need to take good pictures this way and go there, and then go to explore.